Everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC for sale. Gonna do a quick video walk-around tour, show you this vehicle, walk you through some of the features. And if you're interested in learning more or even setting up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So this 2022 Mercedes-Benz E350 comes in a black exterior. We've got a black interior. We've got power, memory, heated seats, sunroof, steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 21,777. We've got a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display. Currently showing radio. And backup camera. And of course you can control it using the touchscreen itself, just like I'm doing there. You also have steering wheel controls right here, as well as a touchpad here in your center console, and all these can control the display. Below your display, we've got our climate controls here. Also got some buttons here to activate some of the functions quickly, including vehicle settings, radio, navigation, and whatnot. Below our climate controls, we've got cup holders. You've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, power supply here, as well as USB connection. And then next to your touchpad that we talked about earlier, you've got your dynamic select switch. This is how you can switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You can also access the different parking cameras that we have. You've got your front, you've got a side view, left and right, you've got your rear, and then the overhead as well. Okay, last but not least, we have our Mercedes-Benz shifter. Just push it in to park, up for reverse, down for drive. Okay, this vehicle is also equipped with the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker package. You'll find these throughout the vehicle. And we'll take a look at our rear seats here next. To another quick peek back up front. And then coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we've got our E350 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, our opening and closing trunk, push button to close. So if you're interested in learning more about this 2022 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.